Hello everyone, welcome back to this quick how-to. It's about performing search operations against database. In this example we are going to use a table and we will perform search according to one of its fields. Okay, so here let me show you this. We have this sample database. Okay, it contains country list, their IDs, states, and for each country, and we have a person. Okay, what am I gonna do is perform a search operation against the person name, and from that I will be able to see the state ID, the person ID. Okay, so we have this database. Let's go to the project here. Okay, so obviously first thing to do is of course adding a data source. So we're going to use a database. We're going to use new connection, browse, go to the where the database is, open, test connection, okay, and press next. I'm going to include the database, my project. I'm going to press next, and I want to include all three tables here, and finish. Okay, so now there are actually two ways to perform search operations. Okay, our first method here will be as follows. I'm gonna search for the person here, so I'm gonna drag this and drop it as a data grid view. Okay, the control type here doesn't matter. Okay, this is just for illustration. Okay, now if we run this for now, just for test. Okay, so there we go. We have this table. Now we're gonna add a field that allows us to search based on the person name. So let's do that. How do we do it? Obviously we need control that will allow us to do that. So to enter some kind of text. So let's go down here. We're gonna need a label, text box, and a button. Okay, so this one, and this will be the search button. I'm gonna just change its title to search, SEARCH. Okay, this search, and this would be name. Okay, whatever. Okay, so this is text box 1. I'm gonna double click this one. Now to do a search, it's very easy. Actually here the test db dataset.person, this returns the table. All I have to do is to filter out the result of the person table. This is done very easily using the search method. So all I'm gonna have to do is fallback control, which will be person data grid view. This is the name of the data grid view. Dot data source equals. All I have to do is this one. It's gonna be me dot test tb dataset dot person. Now so far this is exactly the name of the table that contains the data, so there is no difference. What I'm gonna add here is dot select. Now this one performs a search operation, and what I want to select is okay, so now I have to remember the name of the column I am searching here, and actually I didn't focus much on the name of the column. It's the person name. Yeah, so here person name equal, and this should be what? Textbox1 textbox1 dot text. Okay. The problem with this one is that the person name should be an exact match, so I'm gonna change this into like, which is better, and this is it. Okay, so this will allow us to perform a search operation. So let's run this application. Okay, so I'm gonna search for G percentage, anyone who starts with G, and this is Jeff. I'm gonna search for everyone. I'm getting them all. Anyone who ends with M. So we got Tom and Tim. So as you can see, it's very easy to specify which column to search. I can add another search now. Okay. So what am I gonna do is, instead of specifying the name, I'm gonna specify the column. So okay, I know this doesn't look professional, but of course it's just an interface. What matters here is the code itself. So let me see where the option, where did it go? Sorry, this is radio button. Okay, 2 and 3. So this one will allow me to select which column. So person ID, second one will be what is gonna be state ID, and the last one, it will be person name. Okay, so now I have to remember this one is radio button 1, this one is radio button 2, this one is radio button 3. Now the search code is going to be a little bit different. It will be a number of if statement. If radio button 1 dot is dot checked, then if it is checked, in that case I will need to perform the name of the column is person ID here. ID equals, okay, because there's a number, else if radio button 2 dot checked, then this is going to be similar. The name of the column is what? State ID. Else if radio button 3 dot checked, then this would be person name like. Okay, so this is it. Now all I have to do is just run the code. Okay, so now I'm gonna select the person name here and select anyone containing O and their names. Perform a search. We have 10. Now I'm gonna select the person with person ID 4. This is 4, person ID search. Okay, and anyone who's in this state, those ID is 10. Perform a search. Oh, we have just one person. Let me put 2. No, put 1. Okay, we have a Smith. Anyway, so you can see we can do a search operation based on any of the columns available. Now, one last thing is that how do I cancel my search and see the result? Well, this is actually very easy. All you have to do is just reassign the value of the table. So here, cancel search. Okay, so the code here is gonna be like this. I'll remove the select part. This will return the whole table. Okay, this is it. Now I'm gonna just explain this line of code which does all the work or the hard work. What happens here, all this part will return the person table. The select command will execute a select statement, and here we are just specifying the where part. So here I am performing select star from person where state ID, which is this one, equals what's in the text box or any other where part. This is it. So this is the last test. So whatever, I got nothing. I press this one and I get everything back. So this is the first method and it's the easiest. I guess for the second method, which is changing the data adapter, it will be a little bit more advanced. Maybe I should put that in the next tutorial. Okay, so watch out for that, and hope you'll find this useful. If you have any other question, send them to me. I'll be happy to answer them. So that will be all. So have a nice day, and sorry for not posting tutorials as often as before. I'm being too busy. Okay, bye bye.